YouTubers, we're back here at the range and we're going to try out Dave's new little toy. Dave bought himself, what do you got there, Dave?
It's a Davis 12 gauge bull pump.
Davis 12 gauge bull pump. Locked and loaded.
Oopsies.
There's a round. So we got some targets down range.
I'm going to pull that out because I want to put that one back in.
On this beautiful cloudy over day. We're at our pit range here in Listagush.
And here we go.
So now, day's hot, and we're going to fire off some rounds. Your glasses on, Dave. Plugs in.
Holy fuck, my ears are deaf. Wow.
Hold your breath, Dave. Blast that NDP.
Oh, that's got a kick.
So that is part of Dave's bull pump. Hang on, Dave, we'll get you another magazine over here.
Try it this time.
Huh?
Oh, you try it.
Okay, I'll try it.
Oh, that's fucking crazy.
I'll try that. Here you go, Dave.
I think I bruised my arm, look. Fuck.
Dave thinks he's got a bruise. So, here you go, Dave. You hang on to that.
Your turn.
Let me grab that.
She's in the fire position there, so safety's off. Ooh.
So,
she's gonna ring your ears. I can tell you that.
ready and we're locked and loaded. The only thing about me is going to be different. So, we're going to do this right. Ready, Dave?
Yeah, gonna get your angle at the same time.
That's nice.
Fucking crazy.
That's nice, Dave.
Fucking crazy.
Oh, I got to try that left hand. Oh, yeah.
That's crazy.
That's nice, Dave.
Oof, oof, oof. Yeah, I gave myself a little bit of a bruise, I'm sure. She's got some fucking kick, though. I like it.
Well, YouTubers, that's
I should have brought some earplugs, though.
yeah.
Oh, ho, 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 ho.
I forgot to grab them.
That close vicinity with that is like right next to your ear. It is crazy. The sounds intimidating. 12 gauge is always intimidating, but this one here fucking sounds right up in your ear. Someone coming?
Someone's driving down the road. Okay. So, we get some number 5 rounds in here.
All right.
You ready? Oh, we got a
She's fucking
we had a jam.
right there to the left.
To the left, right there.
Whew. She's a loud fucker, I can tell you that. It's gotta go through the clip first, I think.
She won't go in the mag.
One of those anal things. Gonna end up having to get myself a drum. With a drum, you know. Oof. Hurt the ears, man. But she's got some power though for a little. It's
Nice
a
little gun.
It's
man.
it's the shorter
Shorter barrel.
shorter the gun, the more fucking kick she's got. That's for damn sure.
We'll try some cowboy.
Lever action. There we go. 444.
The old 440-40,
Just gonna put this thing back. Well, set it down. Doesn't weigh much, but still. Nice. It's accurate.
Fucking accurate ain't
Oh. NDP.
He's already taken 2 rounds today.
Oh! You hit your truck, bud.
Yeah, I know.
I just heard something go tink. Did it go in your motor?
Huh? No.
Forgot about the ricochets. What? Dude, you just shot at your truck again. Seriously, second time. So what the fuck? I think it went underneath that time. Those fucking things bounce.
More than likely it's a rock. Not the round. The round's going right into the mountain.
Well, the round's hitting the fucking steel and it's bouncing back, isn't it? No? Whew. Some crazy ass fucking shit anyway. Those rounds fucking bounce. You been hunting moose with those?
Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah.
That's all you really need.
Fuck yeah. Put that right in the face.
I always thought those they're all the shiny models, eh?
That's pretty fucking awesome. There you go, my friend. Try that out. You can try to peep sight if you want, or try to close sight.
I'll fire a shot or two just to try it out.
Try,
Lever action's pretty cool.
yeah, lever action's awesome on it.
No.
Well, it's a Cheyenne Buffalo rifle. It's a 4440. I mean, I use 44 Magnum rounds into it, but
Oh yeah?
yeah. It shoots either or. Shoots the rifle or the... Shoot at the
Kicker.
huh?
They got a kick.
No, like a 30-30. Are you gonna shoot up there?
Let's see if I hit that stick up there.
Aim right on it. With the beam.
Oh.
Oh, you gotta pull it tight. You gotta pull it tight. That's the safety.
Oh.
You gotta pull the lever tight.
Okay.
Okay. Try for the ball.
Hit the ball or did I hit the fucking...
Hit the ball or in the metal, one of them. Try for the bottom of that machine over there. Over there. Look, over there. Over there. Bottom of that TV. Nice. Accurate, eh?
Holy fuck.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, there you go.
It's like a BB gun.
Yeah. Like a 22.
Like...
Right there in the corner. Look at the helium pot over in the corner.
No, you see that bottle right there I set up?
Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, moose on the bridge or something. Must have been a deer or something out on the bridge.
Got it.
Yeah.
Fucking,
Accurate, eh?
Fucking, this is crazy fucking dangerous.
Yeah.
It's like a BB gun.
It's like a BB gun. Like a pellet gun.
Like, totally fucking...
Totally accurate, right on the money, all the time, since I got that weapon.
You should be hunting with this thing.
I do. That's why I trained myself with it.
Like, it's sick. It's like a BB gun. Like, I can hit anything with it.
Yeah, just put it up and it's bang.
See that wooden piece over the corner with the orange
on
and the black right
yeah.
there? On the left?
Yeah. Bullseye. Oh, that's it.
I just wanted to know for sure.
Not bad, eh?
Fucking awesome. You picking up those shells?
Hey? Yeah. Yeah, Jeremy reloads them for me that back time, trying to stay in the same spot.
Yeah, I believe it. Holy shit, that hurt. That's a hell of a lot less bang than that fucking 12 on the ear. I don't know, there must be something that retracts on that. I will figure it out once I read the book and shit to see if anything, it doesn't. I don't think it does, honestly. I don't know what the fuck. I am curious though.
What a slug feels like?
No,
I brought one.
No, I want to see what these are.
Huh?
They're BBs.
Oh, they're BBs, yeah. BB shot.
For dogs?
What you want is a buckshot.
For dogs?
Yeah. You want
Why would they give me that?
A number 2 buckshot. That's what I do.
Oh, they're Hornadias, that's why.
Hornadi?
Yeah. Hornadi Magnum Coyote. Yeah. That's okay. It's good to know.
Daddy can hit that little ping.
That's all you got to be able to do. Just hit that little thing.
See this rock that's going there. Yeah, ring that fucking thing 3 times in a row.
Ding, ding, ding.
But you didn't take the other.
There. Now I just want to try something that Every person wants to try.
What?
Just like, you know, you do a fucking fire pipe, someone's tripping out on you. You know, just want to see if it goes.
Okay. Let's see.
So let's find out, Mr. NDP.
Get up on him. Get up on him. Oh, she jammed.
Whoa, we got a parking issue.
Yeah, you know why? 2 3/4 inch.
Yeah, I went in between.